Just got another one on the popper, you guys. Let's get them back in the water. All right, buddy. Let's find a place to get you back in the water at. Thank you so much. Mwah.
That was him. He stayed right down there. Oh my. Sit right there and waited.
Look at that, guys.
You see it if I'm not recording.
Look at that right there, guys. First bat, this is Clyde channel. First time casting adventures right here, guys.
Football.
Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that. On the Mega Bass Mag Draft, first bass I ever caught on that thing right there, guys. Oh my goodness. Not even recording today. Shame on me. That's how it happens. That's how it happens.
You said it. You said, Clyde, watch this. If I'm not recording, I'm gonna load up on one. Y'all, he did it, y'all.
Oh man, I saw him when he came up and ate it. What do you say?
It is 6 pounds.
5'7". Let me get my phone.
Y'all know something? This is what me and Patrick were talking about when I was at my house and he was at his house. He said, Clyde, now you watch. I'm not bringing nothing to record with. Watch me load up on one. And guess what happened? 5'7", you guys. I think we need to weigh this one again.
Okay.
Let's weigh it again. 5'7" solid.
I take it.
5'7" solid.
I ain't got no video of it. You got it.
You man, I told you. I said I'm recording, Patrick. Boy, if you do a short with that, man, them guys gonna be like, you know something? That's just completely crazy. Now look at that, you guys. 5'7" solid. 5'7", you guys.
Oh man.
Patrick, this is crazy.
Oh man.
You even said, watch. If I don't